As a professional house cleaner, I'm always looking for ways to make my job easier. One thing I like to use is a stick vacuum cleaner. The one thing I love about this vacuum cleaner is you can extend it and shorten it, and it also turns into a handheld vacuum. You can use it on carpet and you can use it on hard floors. The accessory that it comes with is a corner piece that also turns into a brush piece. I used this vacuum cleaner for the duration of my cleaning, probably about a total of 45 minutes, and it worked perfectly. Because it was cordless, it was so easy to use on different surfaces in the home I was cleaning. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in this vacuum, I will link it in the comment section.